When most people think about operating systems beyond Windows and Mac OS, Linux is usually the first name that comes to mind. However, there is another family of operating systems that has quietly existed for decades, powering servers, networking equipment, and critical infrastructure around the world. That family is BSD, short for Berkeley Software Distribution. While BSD systems are respected for their stability, security, and clean design, they have often been considered difficult for newcomers. That is where GhostBSD enters the picture, offering one of the most beginner-friendly BSD desktop experiences available today. GhostBSD is built on top of FreeBSD, one of the most well-known and respected BSD operating systems. Instead of expecting users to manually configure everything from the command line, GhostBSD focuses on providing a polished desktop environment that works right after installation. This approach makes it much easier for people who are curious about BSD but intimidated by its reputation. Rather than spending hours reading documentation just to get a graphical desktop running, users can install GhostBSD and start using their computer almost immediately. One of the biggest reasons GhostBSD stands out for beginners is its simple installation process. Many BSD distributions require a level of technical knowledge that can be overwhelming for someone coming from Windows or Linux. GhostBSD, on the other hand, provides a graphical installer that feels familiar and straightforward. The setup process guides users through disk selection, user creation, and system configuration without requiring advanced knowledge. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry and allows users to focus on learning BSD itself rather than struggling with installation challenges. The desktop experience is another area where GhostBSD shines. By default, GhostBSD includes the Mate desktop environment, which is known for being lightweight, stable, and easy to understand. The layout feels comfortable to anyone who has used traditional desktop operating systems. There is a taskbar, application menu, system tray, and file manager that all behave in predictable ways. This familiarity helps beginners feel at home while they explore a new operating system underneath the surface. Performance is another strong advantage. GhostBSD benefits from the efficient architecture of FreeBSD while avoiding unnecessary complexity in its default setup. The operating system feels responsive even on modest hardware. Applications launch quickly, the desktop remains smooth during everyday tasks, and resource usage is generally lower than many modern operating systems. This makes GhostBSD an attractive choice for users who want a clean and efficient computing experience without the heavy overhead often associated with modern software environments. Stability has always been one of the defining characteristics of BSD systems, and GhostBSD inherits this strength directly from FreeBSD. Crashes, unexpected behavior, and system instability are relatively rare compared to many desktop operating systems. For beginners, this reliability is especially important because it allows them to learn and experiment without constantly worrying about system failures. A stable environment creates confidence, and confidence is essential when someone is exploring a new platform for the first time. Security is another area where GhostBSD earns praise. FreeBSD has a long history of emphasizing secure design principles, and GhostBSD benefits from that foundation. The operating system includes robust security features while maintaining a user-friendly experience. Beginners may not fully understand every security mechanism working behind the scenes, but they can still benefit from a system designed with safety and reliability in mind. This makes GhostBSD a practical choice for everyday use as well as for educational purposes. One common misconception is that BSD operating systems lack software. While it is true that Linux generally offers larger software repositories, GhostBSD provides access to a substantial collection of applications through FreeBSD's package management system. Users can install web browsers, office suites, media players, development tools, and many other applications with ease. Popular programs like Firefox, LibreOffice, VLC, and numerous productivity tools are readily available, allowing most users to perform their daily tasks without major limitations. Another reason GhostBSD is ideal for beginners is its balance between simplicity and learning opportunities. New users can enjoy a fully functional desktop without needing extensive technical knowledge. At the same time, they have access to the powerful FreeBSD ecosystem underneath. As users become more comfortable, they can explore command line tools, system administration concepts, networking features, and advanced BSD technologies. GhostBSD essentially provides a gentle learning curve instead of forcing newcomers into the deep end immediately. Hardware compatibility has historically been a challenge for some BSD systems, but GhostBSD works hard to improve the experience. Many common devices function out of the box, including modern graphics hardware, network adapters, USB devices, and audio systems. While Linux may still have broader hardware support overall, GhostBSD has made significant progress in ensuring that beginners can install the system and start using their hardware with minimal troubleshooting. This improvement makes BSD much more approachable than it was in the past. The project's focus on desktop users is what truly sets it apart. Many BSD distributions prioritize servers, networking, or specialized technical applications. GhostBSD specifically targets people who want a desktop operating system. This means developers pay attention to desktop usability, graphical tools, user experience, and day-to-day convenience. Features such as software management utilities, desktop settings panels, and graphical administration tools help reduce dependence on the command line and make the system more welcoming. Documentation and community support are also important considerations for beginners. GhostBSD benefits not only from its own community, but also from the vast amount of knowledge available within the FreeBSD ecosystem. Users can find tutorials, guides, forums, and discussions covering everything from basic setup to advanced system administration. When problems arise, there's a good chance someone else has encountered a similar issue before. This wealth of information helps beginners overcome obstacles and continue learning without becoming discouraged. Compared to many Linux distributions, GhostBSD offers a unique sense of consistency. FreeBSD follows a more centralized development model than most Linux systems, where the kernel and user land are developed together. This can result in a more cohesive and predictable operating system experience. Beginners may not immediately recognize the technical significance of this design philosophy, but they often notice the practical result: a system that feels organized, stable, and carefully integrated. For users interested in privacy and control, GhostBSD provides an appealing alternative to mainstream operating systems. There are no forced advertisements, intrusive telemetry systems, or unwanted software installations. Users have greater control over their computing environment and can customize the system according to their preferences. This level of transparency aligns with the broader philosophy of open-source software and is one of the reasons many enthusiasts are drawn to BSD platforms in the first place. Learning BSD can also be valuable from an educational perspective. Many technologies used in enterprise environments, networking infrastructure, and advanced computing systems have roots in BSD. By using GhostBSD, beginners gain exposure to concepts and tools that are highly respected within the technology industry. The operating system serves as both a practical desktop platform and a gateway to deeper technical knowledge, making it an excellent choice for students, hobbyists, and curious learners. Perhaps the greatest strength of GhostBSD is that it removes much of the intimidation traditionally associated with BSD operating systems. Instead of demanding expertise from day one, it welcomes newcomers with a polished desktop, straightforward installation process, useful software selection, and strong system stability. Users can enjoy the benefits of BSD without immediately facing the complexity that has historically discouraged many potential adopters. In a world dominated by Windows, Mac OS, and countless Linux distributions, GhostBSD occupies a unique position. It offers the reliability and elegance of FreeBSD while delivering a desktop experience that feels accessible and modern. For anyone who has ever wanted to explore the BSD world but did not know where to start, GhostBSD may be the perfect introduction. It combines simplicity, performance, security, stability, and educational value into a package that genuinely deserves recognition as the best BSD desktop for beginners.